Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make scarf. It's very simple, especially for the beginners. And I'm using this kind of brand, Tango Batik. It's a multicolor and 100% acrylic. And this is the size. So 6 to 8. So I'm going to use hook number 6. I'm going to make this is number 6. So let's start. We're going to make 7 chains and 116 rows. Okay. We're going to make 17 chains. So let's make a slip knot first. And like this. Okay, let's make 17 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I make 17 chains. You have to skip this 2 chains, so you have to start in the third stitch. Okay, you have to skip this one and this, so you start here in the third stitch. Do like this your yarn. Okay, since you have already 2 posts here, so we're going to skip 1 stitch and start from here. Only 1 stitch, okay? You have to skip 1 stitch. Okay, here. Stitch 1 stitch and start here in the next stitch. Then we're going to make another post in the same stitch. Oops. You have to make it slowly because okay, so in each stitch you have to make 2 posts. Okay, 2 posts you're going to make. So skip 1 stitch and make in the other stitch. And make another post in the same stitch. Okay. From the start, it's a bit difficult because of here. So just continue to make your works until you can make 116 posts. Okay, 116 rows. Okay, so I'll show you then after. So we're here in the last, so just continue to make. Okay, Then now you have to chain 2 and turn back your work, and you have to make a 1 post in the same stitch. And you have to do like this and make 2 posts. Make 2 posts here, and the same process until you finish this 116 rows. The same process. Okay, the same process. So until here the end, I'm going to show you also. So we are here in the last part. So the only you have to do is to make 1 post. Just make 1 post here and turn back your work after. Okay, just make 1 post so that your work is straight, and chain 2. Then turn back your work and make a 1 post in the same stitch here. Okay, here in here, and you have to skip this and insert your hook here. Okay, first you have to make 1 post here. After the 1 post, the same process as what I show you. Okay, and continue, and don't forget here. Okay, and you have to make 1 post in this corner. Then chain 2, then turn back your work, so I'm finished with my work, and this is the end. So we're going to sew this, So we're going to sew this one here. Have to make it slowly. So we're finished with our project.